Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I'm Tamara Kukshinovich, and I'm going to take you through Bid Corporation's year-end results. Bid Corp is a well-diversified and highly cash-generative business. We expect continuous organic growth from the group. Further acquisitions will be made to expand geographic reach and enter new markets, which will improve margins as it gains share in a fragmented market. Exiting low-margin businesses and efficiency gains from acquisitions should result in above-average earnings growth in the medium term. 10% of the group's trading profit comes from South Africa, so share price movements will continue to be significantly driven by the currency. Bidcorp is trading at a forward PE ratio of 20 times, which is a small discount to its own history. We feel that the attractive fundamentals are fairly reflected in the share price, and we maintain a neutral guidance. The group is trading at a small premium relative to its peers. However, we feel this is justified by the group's larger geographic footprint. This gives Bidcorp more options to expand and is aided by management's track record of efficiently scaling the business. Net debt increased to 3.6 billion rand. The debt-to-equity ratio increased to 13.5%, but remains low and allows for funding organic or acquisitive expansion. The interest cover remains healthy at 25.2 times, which is ahead of the target of 5 to 6 times. The weighted average cost of capital decreased to 10.78%, and the return on invested capital decreased to 11.72%. This results in a positive economic value added of 0.94%, which shows that investments are generating enough earnings to recover the cost of capital used. Revenue increased by 8% to 119.4 billion rand for the year. Despite higher depreciation, operating profit grew by 9%. Operating expenses were well controlled regardless of higher fuel costs and continuous wage pressures. This resulted in a higher operating margin of 4.9%. Diluted headline earnings per share from continuing operations was up by 9%, and headline earnings per share on a constant currency basis was up by 9.2%. A final dividend of 280 cents per share was declared, which was 12% higher than the previous year. The group's current cap-swix weighting is 2%, and we maintain our neutral guidance and recommend an exposure of up to 2.6%. If you would like to place a trade, please speak to your financial advisor or contact the dealing desk. A comprehensive company analysis report on Bidcorp can be found on PSG Wealth online trading platform. But before we end off, please take note of the following disclaimer. Thank you.